everyone, my name is Quinsila. During the school holidays, I decided to join Master of Ceremony program. Participating in Master of Ceremony program was a game changer for me. I've gained so much confidence in public speakings, and I also learned how to engage audience effectively. The teachers were all amazing. They provided us with infallible tips on everything, from voice modulation to body language. Now, I feel much more prepared for any future events that I might host.
Hello everyone, my name is Wijaya. The Entrepreneurship program is very enlightening and have a wide perspective of business and innovation. My team and I did an S-Buah business, and I learned about creating business plan, marketing strategies, and financial management. So I think this program can inspire me and my friend to start our own business someday.
This program was fantastic in improving my public speaking skills. It taught me more about the role of Master of Ceremonies and also boosted my confidence when talking to the public. Throughout this program, we were given multiple tasks such as creating cue cards for events. Our teachers would tell us what we did well and also tell us what we needed to improve. After that, you'd also be motivated to keep on practicing until we become the best that we can at this particular skill set.